Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the reactions of aldehydes and ketones with alpha hydrogen atom. First, that is aldol condensation. Second, cross aldol condensation. And third, without alpha hydrogen atom, that is Kenneth-Rose reaction. So today we will going to discuss aldol condensation. Those aldehydes and ketones which containing alpha hydrogen atom undergo aldol condensation. Which are that aldehydes? Let us take the example of aldehyde containing alpha hydrogen atom, that is acetaldehyde or ethanol. When two molecules of the ethanol or acetaldehyde undergo condensation, there is formation of a beta hydroxyaldehyde which containing hydroxy, that is alcohol, as well as aldehyde group. So hydroxy means OL and aldehyde means ALD. Hence the name is aldol condensation. Same case is happening in case of the acetone also. Finally, the H2 molecule from the adjacent carbon atom delete or eliminate, and there is formation of the final product as a crotonaldehyde or butanol. So let us see the reaction. So this is acetaldehyde or ethanol. So second ethanol molecule I can write in this way. So this hydrogen atom of second ethyl, that is ethanol, goes to the carbon containing O group. So the reaction takes place in presence of dilute alkali NaOH. The product formed is CH3, CHOH. This carbon get joined CH, CHO. So this compound containing aldehyde as well as OH group, hence the name is aldol condensation. So this is functional group aldehyde, this is first alpha carbon, this is second beta carbon. Hence at the beta OH group is there, hence the name of this particular product is called as beta. OH group is there, so beta hydroxyaldehyde. Hence this is called as aldol because the compound containing OH as well as aldehyde. So ALD from the aldehyde and OL from the alcohol group, hence the name is aldol, and the reaction is known as aldol condensation. As these two adjacent carbon atom having OH and H group eliminates the water molecule, and finally there is formation of CH3, CH double bond CH, CHO. This is called as crotonaldehyde in common name, or carbon atom number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total number of carbon atoms present in a chain is butane or bute. Stem is bute. So at second carbon atom there is a double bond. So 2 for double bond En, bute 2 En. But at first carbon atom aldehyde is there, Al for aldehyde. So the name is butanol. So butanol is a final product of the aldol condensation having two aldehyde groups or aldehyde compounds. So when first ethanol reacts with the second ethanol, means the reaction takes place in between two same aldehydes in presence of dilute NaOH. The reaction takes place to form beta hydroxyaldehyde, that is also called as aldol, which further eliminates water molecule from the adjacent carbon atom from OH and H atom eliminates, and finally there is formation of butanol, that is called the final product of aldol condensation having two aldehyde group. When the case takes place in case of two acetones like this, the reaction takes place and the product formed like this. When the reaction takes place like this, in this way, again the reaction takes place in not in presence of dilute NaOH, takes place in presence of barium hydroxide. So in this way, C double bond O CH3, this is called alpha beta hydroxy ketone. The compound is formed as a beta hydroxy ketone. So again it is not called as a aldol, but it is called as ketol. So again it loses water molecule and there is formation of this type of compound, CH double bond O and CH. The compound containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is called pent 1, 2, 3. Pent 3 En 2-one. The final compound is pent 3-in-2-one is a final product which is obtained by the condensation between two acetone molecules, formation of intermediate compound as a beta hydroxyketone, and finally there is formation as a pent 3-in-2-one. So in this way acetaldehyde as well as acetone undergo aldol condensation and corresponding products are formed. So this is nothing but a aldol condensation. It is very important as far as the examination is concerned. So after this alpha hydrogen containing, without alpha hydrogen, one more reaction is there, that is Cannizzaro reaction, which are going to discuss later on. Thank you.